Jace, this grudge match, Sledgehammer, Daikaiju, two super heavyweights.
Wow, we want to welcome you back with this big, huge match. Look at these two behemoths.
A test of strength that could tear the ring in half. Oh my God!
What? Just spat in the face of Daikaiju. That's disgusting. Absolutely gross.
Gone is the days of Sledgehammer of old. This new, this vicious Sledgehammer.
Well, he's been corrupted by the worst generation, and Chad Atlas, the kingpin of that group, as Daikaiju slams big Sledgehammer down. Sledgehammer feeling the wrath of the mighty Daikaiju, who's had his feet of krill in the Japanese Ocean, and now he's back for war, I believe.
There's not many men out there that can go blow for blow against Sledgehammer.
Well, indeed, these two are just crazy, hey? Two big giants of wrestling. Wow, huge chop.
Come on, bitch.
These two behemoths exchanging shots outside the ring, but Sledgehammer ducks him, plants him right in the side of the head.
Wow, this one's been mostly on the outside of the ring now. Talk about Mutt going it alone, Sledgehammer going it alone as well. Oh my gosh, throws him back in. Daikaiju, look at the powerhouse.
Look at the speed that Sledgehammer went flying into the ring. That is the strength of the Great Beast Daikaiju. But there, right there, Jace, that is the power of Sledgehammer.
Sledge going to work on Daikaiju. The mighty beast almost being felled, but look at this. Daikaiju still fighting back.
Ref Warren trying to get some order in that ring.
Well, it's a bit of a brawl here.
Sledgehammer just running wild. The ref's calling it. Ref Warren calling it, Jace.
Well, I think this one is a no rule to no contest. The way these
Jace,
two can't get any order. It's just.
Jace, they're not stopping. Ref Warren now trying to get some order. No, Daikaiju! Daikaiju with the official! A headbutt right into Warren!
The referee's down.
But wait a minute, Jay Sledgehammer
unfortunate.
Daikaiju up. Holy!
Well, these two are still going at it, no referee. Oh my God.
Security now coming to the aid of the referee, Jace. Who is going to be able to stop these two monsters?
Well,
this was already a grudge match, Jason. And still these two men would not stop the onslaught. Sledgehammer now.
Well, the match is over.
Jason, the referee trying to separate this, trying to end this match. We still have Toa versus EC Diamond.
That's right, we've got the main event coming up any second now.
Jason, the referee, the security, tossed aside, Jason.
And now security
Hang
getting
on a
thrown out
minute,
of the way.
they're coming up towards us now, Jace. Jace, you've got to get some order in this match. Gee. Sledgehammer.
We'll be okay.
Oh my God,
what?
Sledgehammer at the announce table. Sledgehammer with a chair, Jason. That's a dream of probably. Jeez Louise. Sledgehammer.
What the hell?
Sledgehammer, what is he doing? This is madness, Jason.
No.
Jason, Sledgehammer's on up our glorious commentary table. Sledgehammer perhaps doing the unthinkable.
Hey, stop it.
Jace, you've got to get some order. This is your company.
You get in there and stop them.
Sledgehammer's calling for it, Jason. That was Daikaiju. Daikaiju's firing back. But he's just as powerful, just as deranged. Daikaiju has Sledgehammer. Sledgehammer's up. Oh my God, Jason.
Sledgehammer.
Right into the stage. Can you believe it? Oh my God, Jason!
Daikaiju reigns supreme.
Thank God the table fell. He would have been broken in half.
Daikaiju, the beast,
just destroying Sledgehammer, Jason.
reigning supreme
What
here.
is going on? Who can stop these monsters?
Holy cow.